Hi guys, in this step-by-step tutorial I will show you how to add size chart to your product pages on Wix stores. It helps your customers to choose the right sizes and as a result help with better conversions and reduce returns. So to add this size chart we will use size chart app, Boost Size Chart by Boost Apps. You can find it in Wix App Market. I will add the link in the description to this video. So find it and press Add to Site button. Wait till the installation process will be finished. Please be patient because it may take some time. After the process finished, you will see the widget on your product page. Click here and choose the widget. It's just a preview because we at first need to create first size chart and apply it to your product. I will show how to do this. So let's go to the apps dashboard. You can do this by pressing this button. Alternatively, you can also go to your main dashboard and choose Apps tab and find Boost Size Chart dashboard. Let's create our size chart by pressing Add Size Chart button. On the left side we will have all the settings, and on the right is a preview. We can press this chart button and see the preview. Okay, let's add the name to our size chart. It will used only for internal use, but choose appropriate name, because if you will have multiple size charts, you need to understand which one you work with. So let's make size chart woman stop. Okay, next we can set up size chart just from scratch if we choose this button, but we also have popular templates, and app will add automatically all the necessary data. Let's use template. I'll choose woman stop, and you can see that I have all necessary data added automatically, which is really useful. Of course, each brand has its own sizes, needs, so you can always edit numbers, texts, what you need. Let's go to the size chart design. Here is top content, the top part of size chart. Let's see the preview, this one. We have a title and subtitle. I will not change it, but you can edit as you wish it. Then we can add columns, rows for our size chart, edit it. For example, I will show how to do it. So pretty simple. And then bottom content section. Here is the instruction of how to measure the sizes. You can here add your own content, photos, everything you need. Okay, let's move forward. Conversion. centimeters inches. If you sell internationally and want to have the option to switch between centimeters inches, you can turn on this option. Our sizes are in centimeters, so we choose original values in centimeters. Automatic rounding, but if you need like more options, you can choose custom setting. And let me show how it works. So here we have switcher between centimeters inches. Okay. And final step, we choose, we can apply this set chart to all products, to specific products and specific categories. I will choose specific products and select women's oversized sweatshirt, for example. Press that button. Great. And now let's publish our size chart by pressing Save and Activate button. Great, we have a native size chart created and added. Here we have it. We can turn off, turn on it, edit, delete. We can add new size chart. So the app is really user-friendly. Let's go to the store and see it live. There is our product page and we have size chart button. I press it and have all the data for choose the accurate size. Great, so it was simple but really great addition to your store. Thank you for watching. I will add the link to the app in the description to this video. Bye bye.